set. Yeah, because Cam ain't give a fuck about this
Cam
set
was
at that
gone all
time.
that at that time. It was him and
So
Joel
they was
trying to
doing what
hold.
they was doing whatever they thought was best to keep that brand. Know what I'm saying?
Nah, that's a fact. And they was young too. So, but that shit still didn't sit right though, B. I don't know about you, but it
Yeah,
didn't
some
sit
sucker
right,
shit.
man.
That shit was some sucker shit, bro. That shit was some sucker shit
I know
all
you
around
gotta
the
keep
board.
the brand alive, but you can't go sit. You can't go with the ops though. And
Right.
50 knew it too. 50 knew it. 50 was like, I got him. You heard him on the
hmm
show. He was like, "Yep, I got him. I threw the bait
He
out
was like,
there.
he
Jimmy
was like, look
Cook
at him, look 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 at him.
got him." Oh man, let's go.